Hey everybody, this is James. How you doing? I remember when I first started eating healthier, I was so excited. The only thing is that I would follow the routine, the healthy routine for like 2 days, maybe three in a row, and then on that fourth day, I would see something that I used to eat, and I'll start nibbling on that, and I was shocked to find out how easily I was willing to like fall off the wagon. When it came to falling off the wagon, starting to eat my old ways, I don't blame me at all. I don't blame me at all. I blame my taste buds because they are what they are. I mean, years, like 20, 30 years of building these taste buds up to enjoy food a certain way. Then all of a sudden I decide I need to eat healthier, but I would get it together. I would say, okay, stop, let's get back on track and get going again.